Hey guys, this is Martin with Impress Computers, and today we're going to speak a little bit about a promotion that we're running for Christmas. Right now this is a custom build. We previously did a video on a cable management. So for those who are looking to build a computer, we are offering a promotion where you can buy the components. We have them in stock, and you can actually be with us building and assembling together. So we will be teaching you how to put it together. What are the components, the meanings, every little bit of information, and we will show you as well how to do proper cable management so that the computer runs fine over time. So for those who are interested in that promotion, you can also bring your kids if you have. We'll be happy to help you guys. So if you have any questions about this promotion, you can give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.